Faster and more capable both on and off the racetrack, the R8 is the most powerful Audi production model ever. With its breathtaking performance, high-revving naturally aspirated motor, precise handling and driver-focused interior, the R8 embodies the automotive distinction that has become synonymous with the four rings. Updates to the 2022 R8 model line deliver a refreshed exterior design. The updated front bumper includes a new honeycomb grille with R8 badge, front spoiler lip, and lateral air intakes. The updated rear bumper continues with honeycomb air outlets, oval exhaust pipes, and a new rear diffuser. The headlights have also been darkened, and the rocker panel has been redesigned and includes an inlay. On the V10 model, the lower trim is finished in high-gloss black, and on the V10 Performance model, the lower trim is finished in titanium color, with an option to select carbon fiber.